Hello, welcome to Here We Go, and welcome to the Brilliancies from Go Classics. Gokyo Shumyo, or the Brilliancies from Go Classics, is a famous collection of 520 problems written by the Japanese player Hayashi Genbi in 1812. This collection offers excellent practice for amateur players. That is why I have decided to walk you through all 520 problems here on my channel. For each problem, please pause the video at the beginning and try solving the problem on your own. After you solve the problem, or if you cannot solve it, you should spend at least 20 minutes on making a serious effort in calculating. Then you may come back to my video for the correct answer and explanation. Gokyo Shumyo is divided into 7 sections. In this playlist, let's explore section 1, which is called Life. All the questions are for black or white to make a living shape, either by making 2 real eyes or by achieving mutual life, or seki. Knowing how to make a living shape is foundational to the game of Go. I explain the basics of making a living shape in a playlist called Chapter 2, Life and Death, here on my channel. Most of the problems in this section are solvable for amateur players. A few might be challenging. Let's work our way through these 103 problems in the life section. Good luck and have fun.